I haven't cared about something like this in years. I've started a lot of things over the years, and usually it begins in the same way. And every single time, it starts exactly the same way. I get completely obsessed with something for a while. Politics, gaming, music, golf, kickboxing, whatever it is. Eventually, I just stop thinking about it. All the, what do you call it, I don't know, protection for the wind is up. Openings for the door and windows are up. I have no issues at all, finally. But somewhere during this project, that never really happened. Because in the beginning, it didn't really feel like a workshop. It just felt like work. Measurements, gravel, carving wood, back and forth, trying to figure things out while pretending I knew more than I actually did. Finally, I can start with the cladding. After a while, it stopped feeling new. It was mostly just the same thing, over and over again. And this is normally around the point where I get bored. And the exciting part is over. And all that's left is repetition. And usually, I move on to something else. But this time, it's different. Measure once, cut twice. Somewhere around this point, something started feeling different. I don't even know exactly when it happened. Maybe when the walls start going up. Or maybe when I could finally walk around inside it and actually feel the size of the place. This tape measure is just twisting and it's driving me fucking crazy. Apparently, I suddenly have strong opinions about tape measures too. And for the first time, I started thinking less about finishing the workshop and more about what I wanted to build inside it. I started thinking about workbenches, tool walls, machines I still don't know how to use properly, Small things nobody else will probably care about. Today is Norway's Constitution Day. It's one of the biggest celebrations of the year. Maybe the most. But after I found my wife from Sweden, building this in Sweden, I'm here. Building. Cheers. Gratulerer med dagen. Maybe that's why this project feels different. Because for the first time in a very long time, I'm not really thinking about what comes next anymore. If anything, I think I'm more excited about finally learning what I could build inside this place. Than finishing the workshop itself.